What is up, baddies? It's me, Faith. I'm back again with another video. Please just give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, hit that bell button by the subscribe button so you're notified every time I drop another fire video. Right now, I feel like I'm serving like some OG Aaliyah J vibes with this shirt. You know, in that video where she's talking about where she was, she met the side chick at her boyfriend's court case, I think. The video was so long. If you're an OG YouTuber, you know what video I'm talking about. If you aren't, then I don't know what to tell you, but yeah, I just keep looking at myself like, that's really me. Like, I really, look how I ate that. Like, look how I ate this look. Like, oh, my mind. Anyway, today we're going back to our roots. Not really, but, you know, in terms of this channel, we're going to do another unboxing. I actually follow a bunch of couponing and, like, deals hashtags on Instagram, and they notified me that Target had another beauty box, and it was only $7 and it was free shipping. Also, please download the Target app and just check out all their beauty boxes. I think they're really phenomenal. I think they're really great. They're affordable. If you're not keeping them from yourself, they're great gifts, birthday gifts, especially for like teens and maybe people in their 20s, you know, just like, who don't love Target BT up? So that's just my little bit of advice. I thought it was super cute when it came in. This is what it looks like. See, little lips. I'm definitely going to keep this and like maybe use it as some type of storage, because I've recently been on a whole new wave of just revamping things and upcycling. That's the word I'm looking for. So just going to get into it. I believe these are all lip products, by the way, and I was correct because the name of this box is called Pucker Up. And yeah, ooh, I got $3 off. Nope, but the coupon expired, so sucks to me, right? It had this really cute packaging, and then I'm just gonna open it. I kind of wish they had a way to just kind of keep it cute, if that makes sense. If you know what I'm talking about, let me know. If you don't know what I'm talking about, let's keep going. I got the St. Ives lip scrub, which is, I've never used before. I normally use Lush, or actually, they don't recommend this, but you can just use your toothbrush and just gently scrub your lips, or you can get olive oil and some type of sugar in your kitchen, and you mix that together and you rub it on your lips just to exfoliate the the dead skin on your lips. Because honestly, guys, you know how sometimes like we be wearing the matte lips, we be wearing like the really drying lipsticks, and you really do need to exfoliate your lips. Do not neglect it. Also, lip masks are really great, or just wear like Vaseline at night to keep the moisture locked into your lips. BT dubs out here sharing things with y'all. Ooh, okay, I've never heard of this. Oh, Dr. Bronner's Peppermint Organic Lip Balm. That's what it is. I've heard great things about his body wash that like don't use the minty one because it can make your booty hole feel real minty. I've never used it. I am a Dove girl. I have really sensitive skin, so I'm really scared about trying other products. Just like I mentioned, they threw in a little lip mask, which is really cute. It's to cool your lips. It's to help smooth it and lock the moisture in, like I was just talking about. Honestly, you guys, like, you cannot neglect your lip health. Like, I know it seems really ridiculous. And then they gave me one from Burt's Bees, which I've never used. I'm not even gonna flex Burt's Bees. Like, y'all, do y'all be wearing Burt's Bees and it feels spicy? I was like, I always be like, oh my god. I only use chapstick or Vaseline or lip gloss. But I've used Burt's in the past and I found them so like spicy. And then, ooh, I love Soap and Glory. Nothing but great things about the brand. I like their hand lotions. They're really moisturizing without being greasy. I don't know if you guys go to Lush, but like they have like this charity pot, which I will buy just because I sometimes want to support the mission. But it be leaving my hands so greasy. Ooh, okay, it has that. I was about to put it up to the screen and be like, y'all smell this. It's been a minute since I've done an unboxing. Arousing. Just looks like a rare pink shimmery sheer pinky color, which I'm not mad at. I feel like you can never have enough sheer glosses, BT dubs, so that's cool. And then Milani lipstick in the shade I Am Confident, ooh, which is really pretty. Seems just like a nice red. Ooh, it glides on really nicely. So that is the I Am Confident. Really, really nice. I really liked the collection. Oh, I forgot one more thing. Burt's Bees Lip Shimmer in Peony. Am I saying that correctly? Is it peony? Peony? I swear I don't be mispronouncing things. I feel like Anya's probably sighing in the background like, here go Faith again, not pronouncing shit correctly. And I'd be like, I don't do it on purpose. But it be spicy. Like, I feel, am I drunk? Like, yo, y'all be wearing Burt's Bees and that shit be like spicy on your lips. You be like, oh, oh. And it is just a lip shimmer, so I feel like it's very, very sure. It probably doesn't even pick up very well on camera. I can smell the spice now. I'm gonna probably give that to my mom, BT Dubs. It's a really cute little box. I would recommend it. I mean, I will probably use the lip mask, the lip scrub, the chapstick, and except for the Burt's Bees lip shimmer, which I'm not a fan of their formula, but like I'll have to use it. I'll give this a 5 out of 5. Would recommend. Download the Target app, you guys. Like, it's 2020. We saving our money, okay? Saving our coins, period, poo. Anyway, guys, give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, hit that bell button that notifies you every time I drop a fire video. So, thank you for watching this video. Love y'all. Bye.